Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, egg Foo Young. The morning mise en place. The mise en place for the gravy. And the gravy all mixed up. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The egg mise en place. Here's the eggs lightly scrambled. All the veggies and salt and pepper in the bowl. And here it is all mixed up. The gravy is on a light simmer on the stove. Add some oil to the pan. Add the cornstarch to the gravy. Here's the first side of the egg Foo Young. And flip to the second side. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.